YouTube. I made this video to just tell you guys that, well, I'm into a new game called Fantage, so I'm starting to play this game a bit more than Animal Jam. I will still play Animal Jam, but I won't play it as often, so here's what I have to say. I will make a video for Fantage, like, every other day, and a video for Animal Jam every other day. Maybe not every day, but I'll switch off. Like, if I post Fantage, the next video I'll post would be Animal Jam. So, if you guys don't really like Fantage, you could just watch the Animal Jam videos. And if you guys don't like Animal Jam and just love Fantage, you can watch the Fantage videos. Or if you like both, you can watch both. So, I hope that clears up some questions. So, excuse me, bye, I guess. Goodbye. Till the next video.